Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for being here today as we begin our journey into government public sector accounting conceptual framework number 71 of 2010. I invite you to think of it as puzzle with piece that will fall into place during our presentation. The conceptual framework for government public sector accounting number 71 of 2010 is a guide that regulates the accounting principles that apply in the government public sector in Indonesia. This conceptual framework is the basis for preparing financial report for the government public sector entities and aims to increase transparency, accountability, and credibility of financial information present. In this conceptual framework, there are several accounting principles and must applied include linkage principle, measurement principle, recognition principle, and disclosure principle. One very important principle in this conceptual framework is the principle of linkage. This principle emphasizes the importance of the relationship between organizational goal and measurement, recognition, and disclosure of financial information. By applying the principle of linkage, government public sector entities must ensure that every decision or action taken in related to organization objective and has relevant impact and financial information presented. To review, discuss the government public sector accounting conceptual framework number 71 of 2010, which has a crucial role in guiding the preparation of financial report for public sector entities in Indonesia. In issues of the regulation by the Financial Audit Agency (BPK) reflects the government commitment to increase accountability and transparency in public sector financial management. The principles direct government public sector entity to use appropriate method and measure asset liability, revenue, and expense. This principle provide guide on the use of historical value, fair value, and value in use in the measurement process. Government public sector entities must consider the characteristic and other two of each element in the financial statement to select the most appropriate measure method. Of measurement, government public sector entities must consider historical value, fair value, and value in use. Historical value in use to measure tangible assets that have a limited useful life. Fair value, on other hand, reflects the current market value of the asset, liability, and entity owned. Use value and the value of expected economic benefit and use to measure intangible asset and non-tradable asset. Implementation of the government public sector accounting conceptual framework number 71 of 2010 has significant benefit for the government public sector by applying the accounting principles see conceptual framework government public sector entity and can increase the transparency, accountability, and credibility of the financial information presented. User of financial report include internal and external parties will get more relevant and trustworthy information for their decision making. Conceptual framework government public sector accounting number 71 of 2010 has crucial role in providing clear guidelines for government public sector entities in presenting quality financial information. The accounting principle contained in this conceptual framework, such as the principle on leakage, measurement, recognition, and disclosure, provide a strong foundation for government public sector entities to produce accountable and transparent financial report. Thank you for listening. My authors have shared to benefit call for all use us. I'm Vivi Divia from class AK23C. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.